It's pretty safe to say that right now the Jordan 4 is undisputedly the most popular Jordan model because no matter the colorway, it sells out every time and demands pretty high resale prices. And I got the latest colorway right here, and these are nice. My name is Josh and I will be reviewing the Jordan 4 in the oil green or Seafoam colorway. So here it is, the Jordan 4 oil green. At least that's what they're called in North America. In Europe, however, these released under a different name. They're called the Seafoam. The official colorway on the box, however, does say oil green. The retail price on these was $210 or 210 euros, which of course is $10 higher than your usual Jordan 4 price. So this is, by the way, the new price for Jordan 4s. Man, sneakers nowadays are just getting so expensive. The rumored stock numbers on these that I saw online, supposedly people were saying there were over 400,000 pairs of these, which honestly I do not believe because these were very hard to get. I was particularly very interested in this shoe for two reasons. First of all, Jordan 4s are easily my favorite Jordan model, and second of all, I do love green shoes, so this was pretty much as must cop as you can get for me. However, and the reason I put the title of this video as Jordan Brand did it again, yeah, they did do it again. They once again gave us a very nice colorway in women's only sizing. These only went up to a men's size 10.5, which means I was out of luck because I wear a US size 11. Anyone with bigger feet, you guys pretty much took an L even before the shoe released. And I really don't get why Jordan Brand keeps doing this over and over again. I feel like the women's pairs get some of the nicest colorways. Later on this year, I don't know the name of this pair exactly, but it's like a pink Jordan 1. One of my favorite non-OG colorways that I've seen so far. And once again, that's also a women's only pair. So I already know I'm taking an L on that one as well. So really, Jordan Brand, I don't know why you guys keep doing this. Those of us with bigger feet, we're people too. We have feelings. You guys keep hurting our feelings. So this colorway, the oil green, it does kind of look familiar. And the reason for that is because the color blocking on this is identical to the infamous Fire Red 4s. It's exactly the same color blocking down to the gray outsole. Yeah, pretty much all they did was they switched out the red and gave us this light green color, which can be described as somewhat of a pastel green. So a pair like this in the springtime, these are gonna go so hard with your spring outfits. At least from a colorway point of view, this is pretty much like a 9 out of 10 for me. You don't get that nice Nike Air logo on the heel, however, you do get your Jumpman logo once again in an oil green color. If we did get a Nike logo on this, the retail price on this pair would be even higher. Jordan Brand does tend to increase the price to give a little bit of a markup just for that logo, but it's a really nice colorway. The green is in all the right places, on the ankle collar, the Jumpman logo on the tongue, and also on the midsole. Yeah, I'm feeling this colorway a lot. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of this oil green colorway? The shoes only come with white laces. They did not give us any extra laces with these. A bit unfortunate if you ask me. Even though I might not have switched out the white laces for a pair of green laces, for example, it would have been nice just to get them. I mean, I'm paying $210 for these, so some extra laces would be like the least Jordan Brand can provide. Moving on to the quality of this pair, the leather on this, I would say pretty standard. It's not terrible leather, it's not great either. At least it's not very stiff, so you shouldn't have too much problem getting these to break in nicely. And as far as sizing goes, so I did get this pair in the biggest size possible, which is a men's 10.5, thinking maybe I could try to fit in them, but unfortunately they do not fit. Jordan 4s are already a pretty uncomfortable shoe in my opinion, so wearing this a half size down just makes this very uncomfortable for me. On some women's only Jordan 1s, like those starfish ones that dropped last year, on that pair I was able to remove the insole and kind of fit in the shoe quite well, but with the 4s, removing the insole doesn't help too much. So I will say that if you normally have size 11 and above, you're pretty much out of luck in this case. My advice for everyone else when it comes to Jordan 4s, I always fit true to size, so just go with your true size, your true Nike size, and you should fit fine. The resale prices on these are unsurprisingly quite high. Most sizes currently going for over $300, and it's such a nice colorway, man. And even though this pair released in the winter, the prices are still quite high, and I would expect them to rise up as we move into the spring and summertime. This is by far one of the cleanest pairs of 4s that we'll be releasing this year. I definitely expect a colorway like this over time to keep increasing in price, so if you guys do want this pair, I would suggest copying sooner than later. I will leave some affiliate links in the description so you guys can cop. Overall, the Jordan 4 Oil Green or Seafoam, are these a cop or a drop? This pair is pretty much business as usual for the Jordan 4. It's a great colorway, classic color blocking, not terrible leather, but who's really complaining? We're getting this pair for the colorway. They look fantastic on feet, so definitely everyone out there, if you have a men's size 10.5 or below, these are definitely a cop. If you want to keep up with me, guys, I'm dropping daily content on Instagram as well as TikTok, so make sure you guys follow me. Those links are down here. And if you want some listening content, make sure you check out my bi-weekly podcast, The Kickback Pod, available on Spotify, Apple Music. Those links can be found in the description as well. And subscribe too, man. A lot of you guys watching my videos aren't even subscribed to the channel, so just click on that button. It really helps me out. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.